Hey everybody, what's up? This is Sheeba. I'm back. I'm here to do a hair video today. I'm going to do a review on the Aussie Miracle Curls new hairline. And I already washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair already outside the video because it takes too long to do it in the video also. So I picked up the line from Target online because that's the only place I can find it. So I picked up the complete line. It took about maybe 3 or 4 days to get here, and I couldn't wait to try them out because my hair was super detangled from the wash and go that I did, and I've been stretching it out for the last couple of days. I should have washed it, but it was really detangled. Started out with deep conditioning my hair with a Miracle 3-minute Miracle Curls. So I use about half the bottle of this already, and I put it into dry hair, and I also used it with the regular Miracle Curls conditioner. And I feel like they should have made the bottles a little bit bigger because I use a lot of conditioner in my hair, and I literally use half the bottle. So what I did was I used half of the bottle of the deep conditioner and then half of the bottle of the regular conditioner, and then I mixed them together. And I let it sit on my hair for about 45 minutes. Then I went to detangle it with my dimming brush and a big tooth wide tooth comb. It's usually hard for me to detangle my hair, but for some reason it was really easier this time. It took off like half the process, and usually when I do my hair it's so hard to detangle because the curls in the back are so tight. But it actually came out amazing. So I let that sit for a few minutes, then I got in the shower, and then I rinsed out all the conditioner, and then I put in the Miracle Curls co-wash, and I break that through my hair without disturbing the curls, and I let that sit, then I retwist it back up into 4 sections, and then I finished taking a shower, and then I rinsed it out. So now we're going to see what it looks. Whew. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now. I feel really soft, but instead of me doing a regular wash and go, because I just took out a wash and go, I'm gonna put my hair in a protective style, and I'm going to style it into 2 flat twists on each side. My curls came out really nice and bouncy. I don't like to disturb my curls when they're conditioning because it helps for less frizz. So the reason why I did it the way that I did it was it's easier for me to detangle my hair with deep conditioner instead of using the Miracle Curls leave-in detangler milk. And this one is it's with coconut oil and jojoba oil, and it's sulfate free. But what I noticed was the shampoo is not sulfate free. It's free of parabens and all that other good lovely stuff, but the shampoo is not free of sulfates, which I don't understand why. So now we're going to put in the Miracle Curls leave-in detangler milk. I just wish this bottle was bigger because it's so small. But it feels really good. But I'm not going to detangle with the comb because I already did that. I'm just going to detangle with my hand. I'm just going to keep finger detangling. And it has a lot of slip. That honestly looks good. It really looks good. So I'm going to do the other side. I literally used half this bottle already. This is crazy. Oh, there's more than half. On one use. So I only can get maybe one more use out of this. That's so crazy, but oh well. I'm just smoothing it down. I'm just breaking it through. Alright. So now we're going to use the Miracle Curls Cream Pudding. This is kind of like a styling gel, but it's thinner. I'm hoping that it's a little more heavier than a regular curl puddings and stuff like that, because that does not give me enough hold for my hair. So now I'm just going to take a lot from the cap and I'm going to put it on my roots. It feels really good. It feels heavy, but we will see. I like to slick down the roots. Like, I'm gonna put some at the end of my hair, towards the end. Yeah, these products are not that good. I'm trying not to use any other products with this style because I want to see how this performs by itself. But we will see what happens. It's really not that heavy, but we're gonna try it out. So now I'm gonna use my dipping brush and just smooth the roots. Am I combing all the way through this? Kind of making it flat. Oh, it's doing kind of good though. Now I'm gonna put a little bit on the rest of this much to help tame it. And I'm also using a different processing editor for my videos than I normally do. So I don't know. I'm trying out a lot of new stuff right now. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right. So we're gonna start flat twisting the front. It feels nice. It's not that hard to get between my curls normally. When I use a heavier gel, it is so hard to do this twist. So I'm just doing the same thing. I actually like this. It's really easy to get in between the hair. It never goes this quick when I'm trying to do this style. So far, I really like this. So now I'm just gonna brush the end out. I know it's not perfect, but it's good. It really looks nice, honestly. The only thing, I'm gonna have to put some gel on my baby hair because I need my edges to be popping. I'm sorry. But the rest of it looks really great and it's really soft. This looks really nice. Okay, that's one side. I'm just going to do the other one really quick. Do the same thing on the other side. I was watching another tutorial and people were saying that it's end up flaking. I hope that's not the case. All right. Do the same on this side. I really like this. This is my first time doing this style without my normal products. And I didn't add any extra oil to my hair because I want to see how much moisture this gives me. Just adding more because that's what I do. So now I'm just going to take my little baby hair brush and slick down my end. Sorry if my mirror's in the shot. just slicking it down. So now I'm just going to add some of my Gorilla Gel. I just put it in this little jar. I'm just going to put it on my edges. If you use this gel, you always get these little flyaways on it. I'm just doing this just to ensure that my edges lay down. I really like this. My hair never came out like this quick. I always have to play with the back. The curls never be, the twists never be even. I'm gonna put a little bit in the front right here, because I get my curls start flying up on me. I usually put way more gel than that, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna leave it like this. I'm just going back over everything, smooth it out. So now that's done, I'm gonna take some bobby pins and put them wherever I feel like it's a little puffy. This came out really amazing. I really didn't think it was gonna do this. I always get one of my curls to be like this on the other one side, but it really doesn't matter because I'm gonna paint up the back anyway. So now I'm just gonna take the back and tuck them in. This is literally my favorite hairstyle. I got conditioner on my arms. Okay, I'm gonna tuck it into this side. Do the same thing. And this is a great style when you're trying not to use heat on your hair. Comes out nice. So I'm just going to finish pinning these down, well, in the back. And then put on my scarf. I'm gonna go do my little makeup and I'm gonna tie my hair down. So now I'll be back to show you my final. Honestly, we're not doing all that. So my final, result on this line. I love all the products, honestly. I just wish that it didn't have sulfates in the shampoo, and that the products was a little bit bigger, like the leave-in detangling milk. It feels really great. I love how all of them feel. I just wish the bottles was bigger. Like I literally on this what is this one? The 3-Minute Miracle. I used half the bottle already and half of the conditioner already in one sitting. And I tried. That's why I like using the regular big Aussie Moist, because you get so much in the bottle. But other than that, I really love these products. I feel like they will do well. The price point is amazing. They're only like $4.99, and I can't wait to try these out again. And I think I'm gonna order some more, because I know they're gonna sell out quick, because the more people that find out about them, the more they're gonna sell out quick. And I feel like Target's the only place that have them. I checked Walmart, they didn't have them. CVS didn't have them, and I don't know if Walgreens had it or not. But everywhere around me did not have them, because they don't have really textured hair products like that. They only have like a few of them, and that's about it. And if you have any questions on this style, I will link my video to this style in the card. And don't forget to like and subscribe and rate this video, and please share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.